Alright guys, so just got taken off the door. So we're gonna replace the door, the fender, and then the inner rockers and the outer rockers on both sides, but that's in a different video. So this is the old door, and it's like filled with like body work, Bondo and stuff. So this is our new door. We got it at a swap meet. So, and here's our fenders, OEM fenders. So we're gonna show you how to replace the inner rockers and the outer rockers. Alright, well, we just got done sanding it to see where we need to cut it. So we're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it right there, right? A little bit right there.
This is the rocker we're gonna put on.
So yeah, we're gonna put this new rocker on here. So.
Show you some more in a little bit.
Yep, I'll show you more. Alright guys, we just cut out the outer rocker and the old inner rocker there was like hardly any inner rocker there. So we're gonna clean all this up right here, and then we're gonna put the inner rocker and stuff back on. So I'll update you when we get it done. Alright, we just got the inner rocker in, and my dad tack welded all this, because all you do is tack weld it. And before we put the outer rocker on it, we're gonna put primer on it and like some chassis saver, because you won't be able to get to that once you have your outer rocker on it. So that's what we got on this little tack welds. So alright, just got we put on this rust seal by KBS. It's a really good seal to stop the rust. Like put on your welds and stuff. So we just put it underneath our inner rocker. You can see it right there a little bit, and over there. So we just got the outer rocker tacked in. So, and we got the door lined up with it and everything. So we're just gonna finish cleaning it up and everything. So. Alright guys, we just got done with the other side. So we're just gonna start on the driver's side. So we just took the whiz wheel and just cut it out. So that's the new rocker, the outer rocker, the inner rocker's back of the truck. But yeah, we're gonna put that in and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright. We just got done whiz wheeling the floorboard out, the old one. So we're gonna put that in. It's in the back. And we cut out the rocker. So we're gonna like clean it up a little bit, or we're gonna put our tack welds and put it in, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's in. Alright guys. We just put the floorboard in. Now, it's really sturdy now. So we just tacked it in. You can see. So, yeah. Now we're gonna put the inner rocker in, so I'll show you what that looks like when it's done. Alright guys, update again. Just got the inner rocker in, all tacked in. So now we're gonna put this rust seal by KBS to seal it, prevent it from rusting. And then we're gonna put the outer rocker on after that. So I'll show you when that's done. Alright guys, we just got the rocker tacked in and everything, so, and we gotta grind it down and everything, and it lines up with the door. We put that rust seal in it, and now we're just gonna do some more working on it later sometime. So